In today's video, I'll show you how to pin an app in Miro so you can access your favorite tools faster and streamline your workflow. Start by opening any Miro board. It doesn't matter which one since the process is the same everywhere. Once your board is open, look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see the toolbar with a small plus icon labeled Tools. Click it to open Miro's app menu. Now, in the search bar at the top, type the name of the app you want to pin. For example, wireframes or Google Images. When it appears in the list, look for the pin icon next to its name and click it. That's it. The app is now pinned to your toolbar for quick one-click access anytime you need it. By pinning your most used apps, you keep them at your fingertips, saving time and keeping your workspace clean and efficient. Whether you're brainstorming solo or collaborating with a team, this little trick makes your Miro experience smoother and more productive. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and check out my other Miro guides for more workflow tips. Thanks for watching and happy creating in Miro.